Impala Terminals Group was formed in 2010 as part of the commodity trading firm Trafigura to provide multimodal logistics and warehousing to service the group's trade flows. Impala has grown to be present in 20 countries with 28 operating sites, with a strong presence in the Americas, Sub-Saharan Africa, and service both Trafigura and third-party customers. In 2018, we sold a 50% stake in part of the business to Australian global fund manager IFM Investors. This JV includes operations in South America, an asset-light operation in Sub-Saharan Africa, and global ocean freight forwarding services.
We've been in Africa for some time now. We know the territory, we know the complications around the DRC and operating in the Zambian environments, Dar es Salaam as well. It is a fairly challenging environment to work in, but it's something we as Impala Terminals Africa thrive on, and we ensure that our client has the best possible solution at the end of the day.
Impala Terminals can offer one-stop value solution in that from production right through to final consumption. It is one company, being Impala Terminals, that will handle the cargo in terms of warehousing, road logistics, rail logistics, and then the final leg being the ocean freight.
There are more challenges too. Long distances between the copper belt and the ports, and ever-changing regulatory requirements, poor infrastructure, border congestion, and ever-present security threats. To meet our customers' needs, Impala have invested in key assets. We have over a decade of operational experience in the copper belt, a network of multi-purpose terminals with over 1 million square meters of warehousing and handling facilities. These terminals are located to give our customers a key strategic advantage in the region. We're located in southern DRC, Lubumbashi and Kolwezi, northern Zambia and Ndola, along with coastal terminals in East Africa at the port of Dar es Salaam, and more recently in West Africa, Angola, at the port of Lobito. The multi-purpose terminals are linked by road and rail to the major southern African ports, stretching from Dar es Salaam and Beira in the east, down to Durban and Richards Bay in the south, to Lobito in the west, enabling customers to access global markets more efficiently.
The role that rail plays in Impala Terminals Africa is critical for us with our terminal-to-terminal infrastructure throughout Africa. Bulk commodities running through the region is very difficult to move all by road, and it's crucial that we support the rail infrastructure to ensure a safe, reliable source of transportation. The infrastructure is there. The road infrastructure cannot support the growth that is happening out of the DRC. So as long as we are running the flows and we are managing the flows as Impala Terminal Africa, we are able to provide a reliable service.
Impala focuses heavily on value-driven leadership, where we set the tone right from the top. Create an environment which is conducive to working. We want people to feel proud about stepping into the facility. We also try and tap into people's inner abilities and stretch them to achieve their best, while supporting them to remove any obstacles that might limit them from performing their best.
Impala Terminals has a strong ethos in respect of corporate governance and compliance across the business. We have stringent monitoring controls in place to ensure that we adhere to all rules and regulations. Impala management and staff have committed to operate at the highest standards in respect of health, safety, environmental requirements, and security. Our goal is to protect our employees, communities, and customer goods. To maintain these standards, we recruit and retain the best people in the market. We are investing and innovating to continuously improve our service offering to our customers. We strive to develop long-term partnerships with both our customers and suppliers. Across all Impala Terminals operations, our facilities use cutting-edge technology and are best in class.
The attitude in the office is very much a can-do attitude, a lot of energy. We are also consistently challenging the market to ensure that the rates are moving in the right direction for our clients to benefit the most. And that's why we've been so successful in Africa.